I'm not lazy, man. Come on. Here we go. And the best thing, I know I've started recording. Hi, this is the law of sines video, but I was going to say something else. The best thing about making the videos is that next year, if someone's absent, then these videos are made. And so I can just say, oh, it's on YouTube. Just type in like 8.3, and then you can see that video. Even though I recorded it years ago, it's still, going to be the same lesson. So absent work is always good. Kids that need it to see it twice, that's always good. I'm going to become YouTube famous one day and sell merch. I'm just kidding, I'm not. You realize I'm currently recording. Okay. Law of sines. So sine, opposite over hypotenuse, remember? So I'm going to have, it's not necessarily a right angle in this case. So I have angle A. Angle A is proportional to side A. Yeah? Here's angle C. Angle C is proportional to side C. Yeah? Angle B. Angle B is proportional to side B. So I'm going to be given two angles in a triangle. And my job is to figure out what's one of the missing sides. So here's how this works. The angle measure goes on the numerator. I put the word sine of the angle. Remember how sine means an angle measure? So it'd be like sine of 50 degrees or whatever, over the small side that's opposite it. Then I have maybe angle B and A. So that's going to go over lowercase b, side B. But I could have a third side, and that's why it could be like the third angle. I'm never going to put all three in one math problem. That's impossible in math, in fact, to have two equal signs. So maybe it's going to be angles B and C that I know. Maybe it's going to be angles A and B that I know. And as you can see in my examples, there's only two fractions that I'm going to set equal to each other. So I'm scrolling down, but I'm going to keep this. I can put that, that's good. I have enough room. Okay, ready? Here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to see what angle am I given and what side is opposite it. I am given 71. 71 is opposite X. So A, B, and C don't matter. Notice there's no A, B, or C. It's just the angle and the side opposite it. So if I start with 71, that's going to be my numerator. My denominator is going to be X that's opposite it. You guys need calculators? Come grab one if you want. Then I know 35 degrees. The side opposite it is 12. So cross multiply. Ian, did you get the one?
Yeah.
That was very, very gentlemanly and awesome. Thank you. And you said thank you. All right. Cross multiply. Here we go. So the sine 35 stays together. It's like a unit. You can't separate it because that's what I put in the calculator. The X is going to go first. X times sine 35. That's for one diagonal multiplied. 12 times sine of 71. Okay, how do I solve for X? Yeah.
Put X on one side, so you move sine 35 to the other side.
I move sine 35 to the right side by what?
Divide.
Add, subtract, divide. So 12 times sine of 71 divided by sine of 35. It's really important to me that you know how to do this in your calculator. So I'm going to go slow with you, and I'm going to do 12 times sine 71, and I'm going to put that decimal. Now, usually you wouldn't have to write out the decimals all slow like this. You can just enter everything in the calculator. But I want to make sure that nobody's in radian mode. If you're getting some different number than these, or if your calculator screen says the word rad somewhere in like the corner, we need to talk. Like right now, we need to talk. Tell me right now. The mode that you need to be in your calculator is degree mode, DEG. So if your calculator says RAD in the corner, you need to go to the mode section or whatever, figure it out. Mode, change the mode. Anyways, 11.34 divided by 0.57. X equals 19.9. That's how long the side is. The missing side is 19.9. Questions?
Miss Grant,
Yep.
it doesn't matter if you put sine 35 over 12 first, and then you put that equal to sine 71 over x, right? Like if you
Yeah.
switched.
Yes, called the commutative property, right? So if these two are in different locations, that's good. That's fine. It'll still get you the same answer. Okay, I am moving to 3 and 5. I'm going to scroll down. Just warning you now. Okay. 3 and 5. We're going to do those two. Here we go. 59 degrees is opposite x. 73 degrees is opposite 20. So, cross multiply. So, 20 times sine 59, x times sine, don't say sin, don't say sin. No one's telling lies here. Isolating the variable, getting x alone means that I'm going to divide by sine 73 on both sides. All right. So 20 times sine 59 divided by sine 73, 17.9 is the length of the missing side. Go to 5. Go to 5, you guys.
Just Grant, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
For number like 4, even though we're not doing that, how would we do that? Because 53 doesn't have an opposite.
You know what's great is we're going to do it right now.
Oh.
You just figure out what the missing angle is. So I know that they all add up to 180. So I'm going to do 103 plus 29. And I'm going to do 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 1. 180 minus 132. Dun, 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 dun. 48. Cube. Yes, what's up?
I didn't quite get it. How did you get 17.9?
So in my calculator, I first entered 20 multiplication, sign button, 59. Then I put the division button and I press the sign again, 73 equals.
Oh, okay. That explains it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now that I know that 48 degrees is opposite the x, I can go sine 48 over x. Okay? Cross multiply. X times sine 29 equals 15 times sine 48. I'm going to divide both sides by sine 29. Okay. 15 times sine 48 divided by sine 29. Make sure your calculator gets 14 point, wait, no. Yeah, 23 is the right answer. I messed up. Okay. 15 times sine 48.
Does it give you 0?
Hold on. Divided by sine 29.
You do 0.
Now I got 22.99. 23, round to 23. No, not degrees, sorry. 23 is the length of the side. So on 1, 3, and 5, I was trying to find a missing side. The next set of questions, I'm going to, you guys, time goes by so fast with this. I am going to find the missing angle. And I just kind of panicked because like the period's almost over. So I'm skipping 7. I'm gonna go to 9 and 11. All right. This is the stuff that I was talking about on Wednesday. And the angle is missing. So here we go. On the side of your paper, you need to put, to find a missing angle, use the button on your calculator that either says second function and then sign, or maybe you have a shift button. Because I want you to find the little font, the little writing on your calculator that says this, sine -1. It should be above the sign button. In order for you to access this writing, sine -1, the inverse of sine, you need to press the second button first. So let's all practice this. Everybody on your calculator. Everybody find the sine, the inverse sine of 0.6. So press the second button or the shift, then press sine, then press 0.6. Tell me what you get. I need to make sure we're all good. Sine -1, second sine or shift sine 0.6. Someone on Zoom, tell me what you got.
37.
Yeah, fine. We could say it's 36 or 37, whatever. 36.86, yeah. You need to be able to get this answer because that means you know how to use your second function.
Miss Grant,
Yep.
why was it 0.6? Why did you do like sine negative 1.6?
Oh, I randomly picked this number in my head.
Oh, so it wasn't like, okay, it wasn't a part of the problem. Okay.
No, it's not number 10. I wanted us all to practice. I made it up. Here we go. Sine, okay, I don't know the angle measure. I'm trying to find the angle measure. Sine of x over 9, yes. Sine of 77 over 14. Okay, cross multiply. (14) times sine of x equals 9 times sine of 77. That's how I write it. Okay. I need to get sine x alone. I'm going to divide only by 14. So please divide by 14 only on both sides. Isolate the sine of x. Okay. So here's what's in my calculator. But first I have to press, because it's sine of -1 now, right? Second function or shift, whatever. Then you do 9 times sine 77 divided by 14. Those are your keystrokes. Second function, sine. 9 times sine 77 divided by 14 equals. I'm sure hoping that you got 17.6 degrees. Did you get that? 17.6 degrees. So you really need to know, am I trying to find the angle or am I trying to find the side length? You have to know which one we're doing. So let's look at 11 and figure out what we're doing.
Wait, can you explain how you did the calculator on that one again?
Yeah. Are you going to type it in as I speak or are you just going to watch?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it as
Okay. Do you have the word second or shift?
second.
Okay, great. The first button you press on the whole thing is second. Then press sine, which it'll say like -1. Press the button 9. Press the multiplication sign. Now push the normal sign and then 77.
All right, I'm there.
Then press division sign, divided by.
All right.
Enter 14.
Okay.
Equals sign.
I get 59.6.
Does it say degree or rad on your screen?
It says DEG.
9.6. I got 38.
Wow. Oh, it's 38.
Yeah, I got 38, but that's when you put parentheses at the end.
Oh yeah, because I think after you put sign, then you have to close the 77
Yeah.
in parentheses.
So it thinks that you're doing 77 divided by 14, okay, excellent point. You'll hopefully have a parentheses on your screen or on your button. So this is a good deal. Good recommendation, you guys. Put the parentheses after the 77. Good trick. That's an excellent point. When I say it out loud, I forget about the parentheses. "38 degrees. I'm gonna do 11. I have time. I could fit it. Sine of x divided by 21 equals sine of 61 divided by 24.
So Ms. Grant, the answer was the sine of x equals 38.7.
Degrees. The 38 degrees is the answer that you're looking for. Yeah.
You don't simplify it by specifically x or just sine.
No, because you don't write the word sine. No, you just write 38 degrees in the missing spot. The answer is 38 degrees. All right, number 11, cross multiply. 24 times sine of x, 21 times sine of 61. Divide both sides by 24. So what I'm entering in my calculator is second function 21 times sine 61 close parentheses divided by 24. Second function 21 multiplied by regular sine 61 close parentheses divided by 24. Are we like 50 degrees-ish? $50 degrees? All right, so that's all we're doing. Oh, sorry, let me write that. 50 degrees. Okay. So your homework is the attached page, but only the evens. Your homework is the attached page evens.